So let's continue with the chapter, children. Surimani's Torang, as we have already done half of the paragraph. Let me start again. Surimani was 21 when she opened a center with the help of Vasavi Didi and others. Okay. She called it Torang, which means, please remember this, Torang means jungle in Kuduk language. Okay. Surimani wanted that on festivals people should sing their own songs. They should not forget their music and should enjoy wearing their traditional clothes. And the art of making things from bamboo. Children should learn language of school, but must link it with their own language. All this happens in the Torang Center. Many special books about the Kuduk community and other Adivasis have been collected. Flutes and different types of drums are also kept there. Whenever something is unfair, or if someone is afraid that his land and the livelihood would be taken away, they turn to Surimani. Surimani fights for everyone's right. Surimani and Bijoy have got married and work together. Today their work is praised by many people. She is invited even to other countries to share her experiences. People of her area are also raising their voice to a new forest law. So what is the new forest law? A Right to Forest Act 2007. And what is this? Children, this is very, very important, okay? It's very important for you to learn this and you need to read it. That this is very important. Alright? So under this, people who have been living in the forest for last 25 years have a right over the forest land and what is grown on it. They should not be removed from the forest. The work of protecting the forest should be done by their Gram Sabha. Alright, so in the village, the work of protecting the forest should be done by the Gram Sabha. And under this Forest Act, if you are staying in the forest for more than 25 years or at least 25 years, you've got the right on the forest land and the products which you grow on that. This is the law. Alright, very important. Now, a forest is everything for Adivasis. For us Adivasis, we can't live away from the forests even for a day. Government has started many projects in the name of development. And so what are things have been started in the name of development? That is another question which can come. Dams and factories are being built. Forests which are ours are being taken away from us. Because of these projects, we need to think where the forest people will go, what will happen to their livelihood. Where will the lakhs of animals living in the forest go? If there are no forests and we dig out our hands for minerals like aluminium, what will be left? Only polluted air, water and miles of barren lands. That's what they were worried about. Now here children, this map is very, very important. From this map many questions can be asked, like write the name of the states with very thick forest, wherever you see the dark green color, and the less thick forest. Alright. Moving ahead. Lottery for farming in Mizoram. You read about the forest of Jharkhand in Suryamani's story. Now read about forest on the hills of Mizoram. See how people live here and how farming is done. So ding ding ding, as soon as the school bell rang, Lomte A Dingima picked up their bags and hurried home. On the way, they stopped to drink water from a stream in a cup made of bamboo, which was kept there. Today, not only the children, even Saima sir was in a hurry to get back. Today there would be a special meeting of the village council, that is Panchayat. At the meeting, there would be a lottery to decide which family will get how much land for farming. Okay. In the lottery, what is decided? Which family will get how much land for farming. Okay. The land belonged to the whole village, not to separate people. So they take turn to do farming on different parts of the land. A beautiful pot made of bamboo was shaken well. One chit was taken out. Saima sir's family got the first chance. He said, "I'm happy that my family gets to choose first. But this year we cannot take more land. Last year I had taken more and was not able to farm it well. After my sister Jhiri got married and went away, it is difficult to manage farming alone." Okay, so children, the lottery in the farming in Mizoram. So in Mizoram, you have the land where you have to do the farming, but the land is for everyone. Okay, and according to the chit, what is decided by the chit, that which family will get how much land for farming. So there is no land which belongs to you. Okay, all the lands are for all of them. So turn by turn you get different parts of the land to farm. Alright. So moving ahead, Saima sir asked for 3 tin of land. Please underline 3 tin. Little Mathani asked, "What is 3 tin of land?" Chimui explained, "The land on which we grow 1 tin of seed is called 1 tin of land." Okay, so 1 tin of land means that much land which is enough for 1 tin of seeds. So that he just wanted 3 tins of land. One by one the village families got their piece of land for farming.